Hi all, today we're talking about a very interesting case. This is the case where you need to embed the eSignature and contracts and templates right inside your application's interface. And this is super straightforward with Sendforsign because our infrastructure is optimized for doing this in a very straightforward way. So here's our dashboard. When you sign up for Sendforsign, you will see the same dashboard. And you will find here your AI assistant, your documents that you already generated, your templates, and most importantly, your API keys. So if you have just a straightforward use case, you will need to just log into Sendforsign interface, and you're good to go. If you have multiple teams, or as a platform you have multiple clients, or as a corporation you have multiple entities, you will have the ability to generate clients for every team or entity or client or user. And here we go. We can take a look at our clients. So I created a lot of clients for different teams for different purposes. And right here, we can see the client keys. And this is the core concept of Sendforsign. You need a client key to render your components for this specific client. So the contracts, the templates, they are separated by client keys. But let's just get straight to our demo. So I need to render all the contracts available for this specific client for my team that names 18-2 FEB. So what I need to do here, I need to find this client. Here we go, and its client key. So we have it right here. So what we need to do, let's open our code editor and let's run this simple application. Let's give it some time. So the application is working, which is cool, right? So what we need to do here, if we want to implement our components right to this specific interface. So we need to stop this application and install our components. npm I Sendforsign. So the components are here. Let's check it out. Okay, the components are here, which is awesome, right? Now we need to render, let's say, the contract list. Let's try to find the contract list from Sendforsign. So right now we have different components like contract list, template list, contract editor, template editor, and AI agent. So let's try to render this application now with our components available. So this will take a couple of seconds to start the application. Okay, and we can see that something is happening here. The component is already here and it's waiting for some parameters or props. So in the most straightforward case, you can pass the API key and the client key, and that's it. So the component will render the specific contracts for the specific client. So all the contracts that are available right here for this client will be rendered inside your interface. But this is not super cool idea. Like using API keys on your front end. That's why we have access tokens. Let's try to generate an access token for this client key. So first of all, I get my API key, my secret key from my dashboard, and generate a platform access token for this combination. And now we will create a access token for this client that we need. So let's try to pass the platform token right here, and right inside the body, we will paste this client. Let's try to generate this token. Okay, token is here, which is awesome. Now we can return to come back to the code editor and say token instead of the combination of API key and client key. So let's paste the token here. Let's save and let's open the application. Take a look at this. So the component is here, and that's it. It took us like 5 minutes to render your contracts for your team, like in the specific interface. And most importantly, your team has access to all those contracts, and they can read them through, they can download them, and they can create more contracts right through this component. You need nothing more. If you need more components let's say you need a AI agent for this token as well, this is super simple. Let's do this together. So I will need a AI assistant from Sendforsign. I will need to pass the same token here because we need to render for the same team. And let's try to render it. So right there, we can see the other component. So our AI assistant that is fully operational for like this purpose. Hello, how can I assist you today? This is awesome. And if you have several teams, as I said, you can paste as many contract lists or contract editors or template lists as you need, and you can separate them in the same interface using separated tokens for different teams. So this is how it's done. Thank you for your attention.